Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon City app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps, come to apps this, and here you're looking for Dragon City app, or just click here on settings here. Then here at Dragon settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage this here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.